Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to fix file too large error when you copy the file from your local drive to USB drive. This is my mutants video file and the video file size is 4 GB, or more than 4 GB. Let me check my USB drive. My USB drive is empty and it's a 8 GB USB drive. Okay. Let's try to copy the mutants video file and see what happens. I'm getting an error and the error name is file too large. I have another humans video file which is having less than 4 GB file size. Let's copy this to my USB drive and see what happens. It's still 0%. Yeah, it started copying. Let me cancel this task. It turns out I'm able to copy the files which are less than 4 GB but not more than 4 GB. The reason why I'm not able to copy more than 4 GB of file size is because of my FAT32 file system format. This is due to FAT32 limitation. Files larger than 4 GB cannot be stored on a FAT32 volume, and formatting the USB drive as exFAT or NTFS will resolve this issue. Now let's copy the mutants video file again and see what happens. Yeah, it started copying now.